Revelation Bioscience Inc. announced top-line data for its Phase 1b CLEAR clinical study to evaluate the effect of intranasal REVTX99B on nasal challenge allergen in participants with allergic rhinitis to rye grass pollen. The primary endpoint to evaluate the effects of REVTX99B versus placebo on safety and tolerability was met. Exploratory endpoints for efficacy are not met. This includes no reduction in allergy symptoms, total nasal symptom score, and no increase in peak nasal inspiratory flow versus placebo. The study enrolled 2 cohorts. One cohort received study drug prior to nasal allergen challenge, the prophylactic cohort, and the second cohort received study drug after the nasal allergen challenge, the treatment cohort. The Phase 1b, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled, crossover study design was conducted in Australia. Revelation Management plans to evaluate future development of this and other ongoing programs.